The fun thing about flying a drone is to play hide and seek with it, or not. Welcome back to my channel. I took my micro drone to Vietnam for about a month, and I had the opportunity to visit some really beautiful towns and to be able to fly the drone a few times while I was there. And this one day I was just outside of Phong Nha. Phong Nha, if you don't know already, is a beautiful town with one of the largest caves in the world. Um, so here this one day as I was leaving Phong Nha, I came across this area where there were some beautiful hills with low flying clouds, and so I decided to pull over and take the drone out. Take the drone up and fly that around. And it was a beautiful flight. After that flight, I decided to do some recording of me riding the motorcycle on the road, and that's when it kind of went downhill. So I'm just gonna let you watch this, and you can see what I mean.
Remote control not connected.
So I found it, and I was extremely lucky that the drone didn't fall into water or some sewer or something deep. Lesson learned, if the drone is telling you that it's low in battery, don't fly it.